Hello everybody. Now in those far off days before this virus afflicted us, at the beginning of the semester, I asked my students to purchase a notebook. And the idea of the notebook was they were going to put together a glossary of all the key terms and terminology relating to language teaching approaches and methods. This idea went out of the window, obviously a few weeks into the semester. But since Moodle has a glossary feature, I thought I would just continue with exactly the same task, but do it online using the glossary. So I'm going to show you today how to set up a glossary in Moodle for practicing and internalizing new vocabulary. Just to show you what the students and yourselves will see in that glossary, a little search box, a box where you click to add a new entry, and then various browsing facilities. Specifically, you can browse by the alphabetically like any dictionary. And as the teacher, of course, I can browse by author and see what my students are actually doing, how they're contributing. Right now, this is alphabetically organized. A little bit of a mistake there. Okay, fix that later. Accuracy, acquisition, approach. So the students have been asked really to define each word and give an example of what is meant by it, just to show that they understand what they're talking about. If I want to browse by author there, I'll now see the complete list of what each student has produced so far. The first one there looks to be rather a minimalist. The next one quite the opposite, an enthusiastic glossary compiler. I think he must spend a lot of his spare time at home doing this, in fact. Extraordinary. And so on. Now this glossary was set up as a semester-long project and will be graded at the end of the semester. But you don't have to set up a glossary like that. You can have a weekly glossary, a unit glossary, a monthly glossary. It's quite up to you when you do the settings, right? So that's just a picture of my glossary, and I'm going to chop this video today into a couple of parts. That gives you the background. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to set it up in your own site. So I shall be back shortly when I've dealt with this.